A, selecting same numbers, the whole box. And I'm like, what the fuck is going on right now? Like, this is not it, bruh. This thing kicked in like after 15 minutes or 20 minutes. No. This can't be me. And I've tried to snap out a lot of time. And I've played Lotto, right? And I was stuck with this pen. I was like focused and don't know why, but I was too focused to a point that I've dropped it. And the minute it dropped, it was slow motional to a point that someone called me dead. Boy, that's my pen, bring it back. And I've looked at that person and like, huh? That thing came to me maybe after, I'm gonna sound like I'm lying right now, but after 30 seconds, the person who told me that this pen is mine, bring it back, I've looked at that boy like, what are you saying, bro? Then it snapped that, oh, this pen. I've took the pen and gave it to that person. Then when I ride home, it feels like I've took 2 hours and the sun was out there. I'm like, what's going on with my life? Like, is this me? What? Is this me? Am I going to die like this?